You can use differentiation or integration to find the position vector, velocity, or acceleration. So we're given the position vector here, and what you need to remember is where r is the position vector, v is the velocity, and a is the acceleration, you can differentiate to go down or integrate to go up. So dr dot dt is going to equal v or r dot. That means if we differentiated that again, d squared r dt squared, that's going to be a, which is r dot dot, or dv dt. They're all equal to the exact same thing. So if we differentiate dr dt, you're going to get 8t I plus 3j plus 24t squared k, which is the velocity. If we differentiate this again, so d squared r dt squared, you're going to get 8i plus, this is going to disappear, and that's going to be 48t k, which is going to equal r dot dot, which is the acceleration. So using the position vector, you found the velocity and acceleration. This is particularly useful when finding out the full force of a system, or especially in kinematics or mechanics at university level.